Most beginners think profit is just one number, but there are two types, and if you don't understand this, you could lose money without knowing. Profit is the money your business keeps after making sales. But there are different types of profits, and that is where most beginners get confused. We have gross profits and net profits. What is gross profit? Gross profit is the money left after removing the direct cost of making or buying your products. The formula for gross profit is equal to sales less cost of goods sold equal gross profit. Sales less cost of goods sold equal gross profit. Example, let's say sales is $1,000. The cost of goods sold, which is the cost of buying the product you sell, is $600, and your gross profit is $400. That is the sales you made of $1,000 less your cost of goods sold of $600 will give you the gross profit of $400. What is net profit? Net profit is the final profit after all expenses are deducted. Net profit formula is your total income less all expenses. These expenses include rent, salaries, bills, transport, and so on. Examples of net profit. Your gross profit, after arriving at your gross profit of $400, then we less other expenses, say $300. After that, we arrive at our net profit of $100. So it's continuation of gross profit of sales less cost of goods sold, giving us the gross profit. After the gross profit, we less other sales expenses to get our net profit. Let's look at the key differences. Gross profits and net profits. Gross profits relates to direct costs. Net profits relates to direct costs and all other expenses. Gross profit shows your products. Net profit shows your real business profit. Your gross profit comes first, and your net profit is the final profit. Your gross profit equals profit, first profit, and your net profit is the final profit. So if we look at the flow, to get your gross profit, you need to know your sales, you less your cost of goods sold, then you less all other expenses before arriving at your net profit. That is the flow. Let's look at a real life example. Imagine you sell a shoe, you buy shoes for $20, you sell them for $50. Your gross profit is now $30, but you also pay for shop rent, transport, for marketing. After all other expenses, your net profit becomes smaller. So let's now talk about Let's now look at a short quiz. Before then, which one do you think is more important? Is it the gross profits or the net profits? Now, going to the quiz. If sales is $500 and the cost of goods sold is $200, then what is gross profits? Okay, so recap: gross profits equals after product cost, while your net profits equal after all expenses. Gross profit shows potential profits, while net profit shows real profit. Now, subscribe for simple accounting lesson. Like and share. Comment profits if you understand the difference. Thank you very much for watching from the beginning to the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you.